Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Google Shopping in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to the Google Chrome, open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, go to the new tab, click on this plus button, new tab is open. After that, in a Google Chrome, we find Google Apps, click on Google Apps. In Google Apps, scroll down and find Shopping. Click on the Shopping. Google Shopping is now open. In a Google Chrome, at the top, we find three dot. Click on this three dot. In a three dot, go to the here Save and Share. Scroll down and go to the Save and Share. In a Save and Share, we find Install Google Shopping. Click on Install Google Shopping. Click on Install. New app or new window is appear. Close this. Close the Google Chrome. Click on the No Thanks. On desktop, we find Google Shortcut. Also go to the Start. In a Start, type Google Shopping and we find Google Shopping is installed as an app on our Windows 11 PC. Open it from anywhere, from Start or from the desktop. I open it from the desktop. And here we find Google Shopping is installed as an app in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.